How to find your PayPal account number from your PayPal website. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can find your PayPal account number through your PayPal website. For this, first of all, you have to go to the paypal.com. After you tap on the paypal.com, you have to log into your very account in it. After that, you have to click on the gear-like icon in the upper right corner of the screen. If you have the direct deposit feature, you will see the setup or view direct deposit listed on the page, and you have to click on that. You will then see your PayPal direct deposit information, including the routing and the account numbers that you need to supply your employer on the very page. Now you can copy those down onto your direct deposit form from your employer, noting that your account is a checking account, and return it to your employer. So this is the way on how you can do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.